एक बार फिर से दो आईपीओ साथ आ रहे हैं, विक्रन इंजीनियरिंग लिमिटेड एंड एनलॉन हेल्थ केयर लिमिटेड। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एनलॉन हेल्थ केयर लिमिटेड के बारे में। इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी ने पिछले एक साल में 81% का रेवेन्यू जंप शो किया है एंड देयर प्रॉफिट्स have shot up to 121%. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, does that mean that this IPO is worth applying and may end up giving us massive profits? Stick with me till the end because we are going to discuss company background, financials, peer comparison, strengths, risks, and everything that you need to know before applying for this IPO. Hi people, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. As I told you, we are going to discuss about Enlon Healthcare Limited IPO that is all set to list on upcoming 26th of August 2025. Before I start with the video, I want to inform you कि मैं अपने channel पर already विक्रन Engineering Limited का detailed IPO analysis post कर चुकी हूँ. So if you are interested, feel free to watch that video. On my channel, I cover such type of content related to IPO, stocks, markets, real-time job updates, current affairs and every single thing जिसके related आपको doubts और confusions हो सकते हैं. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी life में कोई positive impact या positive learning create हो, then this is the right platform for you because I have made this channel to support and help people out there. So without wasting any more time, let's deep dive into it. सबसे पहले IPO की details के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. The IPO is all set to open on 26th of August 2025 and is closing on 29th of August itself. अब the best part is अगर आपने पिछले 5 IPOs में जो कि बहुत सारे थे जिसमें अगेन कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो गया था एंड मैंने अपने चैनल पर 5 आईपीओ कंपैरिजन एंड एवरी सिंगल आईपीओ का डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस डाल दिया था एंड इफ यू वर समवन जिसने इन्वेस्ट किया था सो आपके फंड्स इन दोनों आईपीओस के लिए अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज किस आईपीओ में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए या कौन सा आईपीओ आपके लिए अच्छा हो सकता है. फॉर दैट आई विल हेल्प यू विद द एनालिसिस. आईपीओ जो है वो बहुत ही छोटा सा आईपीओ है 121 करोड़ का, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि ये पूरा का पूरा आईपीओ फ्रेश इश्यू है, नो ओएफएस. आईपीओ का जो प्राइस बैंड है वो 86 to 91 पर शेयर का है विद अ लॉट साइज ऑफ 164 शेयर्स पर लॉट. But wait, here is the real catch. Retail investors will only have 10% reservation this time. QIBs are having 75% and NIIs at 15%. So retail demand may shot up quickly. Please mind my background. There is a dog barking. It's late night, so I'm sorry. Apologies for the same. बहुत ही quickly कंपनी के बारे में समझ लेते हैं कि कंपनी करती क्या है. The company was incorporated in the year 2013. कंपनी जो है वो फार्मा इंटरमीडिएट्स एंड एपीआईज को मैन्युफैक्चर करने का काम करती है. अब ये टर्म सुन के कंफ्यूज मत होना. कंपनी रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स को जो कि मेडिसिन, न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल्स, पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इवन वेटनरी मेडिसिन में यूज होती हैं. दे आर नॉट जस्ट मेकिंग सिंपल केमिकल्स, दे फॉलो स्ट्रिक्ट global pharmacopoeia standards like IP, BP, USP, JP and EP, making them eligible for worldwide supply. They already have 65 commercialized products, out of which 28 are at pilot stage and 49 are still in the lab trials. Meaning there is a pipeline for future growth. On top of that, they have filed 21 drug master files known as DMFs globally and are awaiting approvals for new molecules like ketoprofen and dexatoprofen, trametamol. Approvals from agencies like ANYSA, NMPA and PMDA already add credibility. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता मैं बहुत क्विकली बता देती हूँ. एनवीजा जो है वो ब्राजीलियन एजेंसी है, रेगुलेटरी है, दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सुपरविजन ऑफ फूड, कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. NMPA, that is National Medical Products Administrator, focuses on drafting laws and regulation for drugs, medical devices and cosmetics. PMDA, Pharmaceutical एंड मेडिकल डिवाइसेस एजेंसी। ये एक जापानीज एजेंसी है जो कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ, लेबर, वेलफेयर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके काम करती है। सो क्लियरली एनलॉन इज नॉट a tiny player. It's positioning itself as a serious global supplier. Now, let's talk about numbers because numbers never lie. In FY24, their revenue was 66.7 crores and in FY25, their revenue jumped to 120.4 crores. That's an 81% growth. Profits jumped from 9.4 crores to 20.5 crores. That's 112%. EBITDA margin are strong at 26.8% and PAT margin is 17%. Return on equity is a massive 40%, and the best part, the debts have also reduced from 17.5 crores in FY24 to rupees 58 crores in FY25. In short, it's showing a good momentum. Company's market cap is estimated at rupees 484 crores with a price to book value of 4.5 times. So yes, valuations look a bit on a higher side, but with strong growth and healthy margins, the market may end up giving it a premium listing. Let's quickly have a peer comparison. Enlon Healthcare has an EPS of 6.38 with return on net worth of 25.5% and no official PE yet. Cronox Lab Sciences trades at a PE of 26 with return on net worth of 28%. Acutus Chemicals trades at a higher PE of 58, though its return on net worth is lower at 12%. Supriya Life Sciences has a PE of 29 with return on net worth around 19%. So compared to its peers, Enlon shows strong return on net worth, but at listing, valuations may be cheaper or at par, which could make it attractive if growth contributes. 30 crores out of the total funds raised will be used for expansion, 5 crores for repayment of loans, 43 crores for working capital, and the remaining for general corporate purposes. So, the most of it is actually going for companies' growth and working capital, and that's positive. Let's quickly discuss about the company's strengths and weaknesses because as an investor, we must know what are our risks and what we are signing up for. First thing, the company has a diverse portfolio across pharma, personal care, and veterinary products. They have experienced promoters with over a decade of industry experience. High entry barriers because getting regulatory approvals is not as easy as it sounds. And this is something that will protect the company from the small competitors. In-house testing labs, which ensures high quality and compliance. Company's strong focuses are on quality, environment, health, and safety. So clearly, this is not a Me Too pharma player. Now, the moment of truth. Let's analyze the risks. First of all, the company is totally dependent upon one manufacturing unit in Rajkot. So any type of disruption there could actually lead to a big risk. If they end up expanding their units to multiple states, then the risks may be reduced. Heavy reliance on few customers for their revenue generation. If any of the one customer leaves, it could impact sales. Suppliers are also concerned in Western countries. Considering the circumstances right now going on in the country, that is something that we must keep an eye on. And of course, in pharma sector or in any other sector, especially in India, delays in regulatory approvals can directly hit growth and take a toll on the company's growth. So, the final verdict. Well, before I get into that, this video is purely for educational purposes. This is an opinion, a view, and a detailed analysis that I am sharing with you so that you are able to analyze, learn, and make a profound decision. I am not recommending or suggesting any sort of buy or sell advice. Markets and investments are subject to market risks. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Now, the answer to the question. Enlon Healthcare looks like a fast growing chemical pharma play with strong financials and a good product pipeline. Peer comparison shows it has one of the highest return on net worth in the sector, which is impressive for listing gains. The demand supply mismatch in retail quota could make it attractive for long term. If they contribute growth momentum, it may end up delivering well. Personally, I will be tracking GMP closely before making my final decision. And if you want me to make a video and keep you updated, then let me know in the comment section so that I can make a video for you once GMP trends are clear. So, I hope you like this video. If your hunt for such type of content and future upcoming IPOs is not over yet, then this is the right platform for you, because I share IPO updates, markets, current affairs, news, real-time job updates, and all the confusions and doubts that you may have and you don't know whom to ask. Then I am right there to support you and help you. Please drop your views in the comment section because your opinion matters. Until then, stay tuned for my upcoming content. Happy learning. Take care. Bye.